Just imagine, while the whole world had accepted electric cars as the future, the CEO of Toyota has now made such a blast that it has taken the entire auto industry by storm. He has clearly said, "We have made such a zero-emission combustion engine which will not only replace petrol and diesel but will also shake up the entire industry." It is shocking to hear, isn't it? Until now, the world was considering EVs as the biggest solution for clean and green energy. But if this new engine of Toyota really becomes successful, then imagine what will happen to Tesla, BYD, and other AV companies. The question arises, what exactly is this technology, and how has such an engine been made that works without emitting smoke, while at the same time saving people from the tension of charging stations? Is this engine really the end of the EV revolution, or is it going to give an even bigger shock to the world? Believe me, this story is so interesting that if you miss it, you may miss the biggest secret in upcoming automobile history. And yes, by the end of this video, you will get the answer to all your questions. So before moving on, subscribe to the channel so that you can be the first to see such amazing videos. Before talking about Toyota's new zero-emission combustion engine, let's take a look at Toyota's market. Because without understanding where the company stands, we will not be able to know why it brought such a big technology. Toyota is one of the largest car companies in the world, and even last year it maintained its stronghold across the globe. According to reports, in the year 2024, Toyota sold around 11 million vehicles, in which its hybrid vehicles played the biggest role. While other companies were trying to shift completely to EVs, Toyota also paid full attention to hybrid and conventional engines. This is the reason why even today Toyota's vehicles are among the best, selling in the big markets of America, Japan, Europe, and Asia. Now, if we talk about electric cars, Toyota's role here is a little different. While companies like Tesla, BYD, and Hyundai are working aggressively on EVs, Toyota has not shown much speed in this segment. Toyota's philosophy has been that the same solution cannot be right for every market in the world. Some countries lack charging infrastructure, some have expensive electricity, and in some places people are still not able to fully trust battery technology. In Zucha's situation, Toyota focused on hybrid technology instead of EVs, and even today its best-selling cars are hybrids such as the Toyota Prius, Corolla Hybrid, and RAV4 Hybrid. These vehicles make up a large part of the company's sales. This means that Toyota kept itself on a different track in the race of the EV industry, and this thinking has led to the development of a new engine today. So why is Toyota bringing a new engine? The biggest reason is customer needs and the reality of the world. EVs sound green and clean, but in reality there are many problems: long charging times, range anxiety, the high cost of battery replacement, and shortages of rare metals. All these challenges keep customers away. On the other hand, petrol and diesel engines are now on the verge of being banned due to pollution and climate change. In such a situation, Toyota engineers thought, why not make an engine that is exactly like the old engine, quick to refuel, long in range, and offering the same driving experience, but without any smoke? With this thought, Toyota started research on a zero-emission combustion engine. The real wonder of this engine is that it works like a traditional combustion engine but uses clean fuel such as hydrogen or synthetic fuel. It makes the car run smoothly but does not emit smoke or carbon dioxide. In a way, it is a middle path between EVs and traditional combustion engines. No hassle of charging, no heavy dependency on batteries, yet the same result: zero emissions. So why is Toyota bringing a new engine? The biggest reason is customer needs and the reality of the world. EVs sound green and clean, but in reality there are many problems: long charging times, range anxiety, the high cost of battery replacement, and shortages of rare metals. All these challenges keep customers away. On the other hand, petrol and diesel engines are now on the verge of being banned due to pollution and climate change. In such a situation, Toyota engineers thought, why not make an engine that is exactly like the old engine, quick to refuel, long in range, and offering the same driving experience but without any smoke? With this thought, Toyota started research on a zero-emission combustion engine. The real wonder of this engine is that it works like a traditional combustion engine but uses clean fuel such as hydrogen or synthetic fuel. It makes the car run smoothly but does not emit smoke or carbon dioxide.
However, this technology does face its challenges. Creating solid electrolytes that are affordable, resilient, and easy to manufacture is quite a challenge. This is why all solid-state batteries have largely remained in research labs until now. Toyota's recent announcement has changed the game, demonstrating that this technology is possible and ready for implementation, with plans for a 2028 launch. It is a daring step that could position Toyota well in the electric vehicle competition. In summary, all solid-state batteries signify the future of energy storage. They offer greater safety, speed, and power than anything currently available. With pioneers like Toyota at the forefront, we are not just anticipating improved electric vehicles. Still, we are on the brink of a revolution in our energy perspective. Get ready, because the journey is about to become more thrilling. So, why is Toyota betting big on this cutting-edge technology? To fully grasp the significance of this move, we need to dive into the legacy of innovation that has defined Toyota for generations. Toyota's legacy of innovation. When you hear the name Toyota, chances are you think of reliability, efficiency, and maybe even a certain Corolla you have seen everywhere. However, there is more to Toyota than dependable family cars. This is a company that has quietly, and sometimes not so quietly, been reshaping the automotive industry for decades. With its sights now set on all solid-state batteries, Toyota is building on a legacy of groundbreaking innovation. Let us be honest, this is not just a next step, but a power move. To really appreciate Toyota's journey to this moment, we must rewind to the late 1990s. Back then, gas guzzlers ruled the roads, and eco-friendly was a term you would associate more with recycling bins than cars. Enter the Toyota Prius. This was not just another car, but the world's first mass-produced hybrid. With its unique combination of a gasoline engine and an electric motor, the Prius was an engineering marvel that not only reduced emissions, but also saved drivers serious cash at the pump. Toyota was not just building a car, it was creating a movement. No one can forget the skepticism the Prius faced when it launched. People questioned whether hybrid cars would even work in the real world. Spoiler alert, they did. The Prius went on to sell millions of units globally and became the unofficial mascot for sustainable driving. Celebrities drove it, environmentalists praised it, and competitors scrambled to catch up. Toyota introduced a changed narrative about what was possible for the industry. Fast forward a few years, and Toyota was already working on its next big thing, hydrogen fuel cells. In 2014, the company launched the Mirai, a hydrogen-powered car that emits only water vapor. While hydrogen has not yet taken off quite like electric cars, the Mirai showed Toyota's willingness to bet big on technologies that could redefine the future. In addition to their advancements in plug-in hybrids and even self-charging electric vehicles, it is clear that Toyota has never been okay with staying the same. So, why does Toyota's history of innovation matter when we talk about all solid-state batteries? This is not just a shot in the dark for them, it is a calculated move by a company with a proven track record of innovation.